Introducing the Python, a revolutionary security product from Masterlock that combines an adjustable cable with an integrated locking mechanism to create the world's first fully adjustable locking cable that makes securing your valuables a cinch. The unique patented design of the Python lets you cinch the cable up tight to the object you're protecting for a perfect application fit. When the key is in the unlock position, the flexible steel cable moves freely through the Python lock. Turn to the cinch position to pull Python tight without the cable slipping back. Move the key to the lock position to secure the cable at just the right length for your application. The Quantum Cuff offers another patented locking alternative, combining the versatility of a cable with the strength of a street cuff. The Python's cut-resistant braided steel cable doesn't need a looped end, so it snakes through practically anything. Simply thread the cable through, pull tight, turn the key, and it's locked down securely. The Python comes in a variety of cable diameters for practically any use, plus a re-keying option for the 10mm Python that lets any hardware store match all your locks to a common key. If you're a thief, this is an unwelcome sight. But if you're a person with valuables to protect, no other cable lock gives you the confidence of the Python. The Python Fully Adjustable Cable Lock. Another innovative, tough under fire security solution from Masterlock.